Look at me. Here, Reverend. Did you get that down and help you on your way?
Oh, that's mighty kind. Oh, very good. Oh, look at your dog. Can't take his eyes off of me. I guess he ain't never seen no one dressed like this before.
It ain't that, Reverend. You got his bowl.
Stop biting your finger now. Stop it. If you keep biting your fingers, you'll get as fat as a balloon. Now, stop it.
Oh, I know what you've been doing.
My own wife says, have I done something? Still leave me. Ooh, I shall miss her.
Just a minute. What do you think you're doing? You can't go in there without a ticket, and they're £2 each.
But Mr. Treader said we could go in for free, didn't he? Yeah.
Well, I've never heard of this Mr. Treader.
Never heard of Mr. Treader? He's one of your bosses.
One of my bosses? Well, what does he look like?
He's a little short chap. He walks like this.
Oh, it was just what I wanted. Yes, it's a lovely pullover. It fits perfectly. Oh, pink's my favourite colour. Yes. I always put them on when I'm taking the dog for a walk.
How old are you? I think I'm either 4 or 5, I don't know which. Do you drink? No. Do you go out with girls? No. Do you smoke? No. Then you're 4.
It's a fire engine. It's no good. You'll have to finish it tomorrow.
Are you in the fire brigade, then?
No, but my girlfriend's husband is. Hello.
Is Stinky Jones there?
Who?
Stinky Jones.
There's no one here called Stinky Jones. Hello.
Can I speak to Stinky Jones, please?
I've told you before, Stinky Jones does not live here. Yes?
Is Stinky Jones there?
I've told you time and time again, Stinky Jones does not live here. Well, who is that?
This is Stinky Jones, any messages?
And so, ladies and gentlemen, we come to ancient Rome. Ancient Rome, with its citizens attired in their togas and long flowing white robes, their politicians parading with laurel wreaths around their heads, and the centurions striding through the streets wearing breastplates, through the wide, open, spotless streets. That, ladies and gentlemen, is ancient Rome.
It's not, you know.
I beg your pardon?
It's not like that, I know, because I live there.
You live in ancient Rome?
Oh, ancient Rome. I thought you said Edgware Road.
Well, see, sir, when I first got here, this one wasn't quite dead.
Oh, children, aren't we forgetting something? Now, what is it Daddy says before each meal?
Go easy on the butter.
Yes, my dear. Oh, yes, my dear. I see you before the altar. Standing at the altar. Yes. And you're all in white. You're dressed all in white. Yes, my dear. And you are going to become a druid. could get him a pocket calculator.
I think he knows how many pockets he has.
Oh, Ethel, look at that, look at that. What does he look like? Oh, Ethel, honestly, what sort of woman could fancy anything that looked like that? Come in. Mr. and Mrs. Keith.
Sorry we're a bit late. We had a puncture and had to change the tyre.
Ah.
Oh, look at them, you bathed them all. Were they all right?
Well, I had a little bit of trouble with the redhead, but once I showed him who was boss, he was as good as gold.
Redhead? That's my husband.